How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you do 20 push-ups a day. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So I got this question from a subscriber. That's kind of what I've been doing with the push-up topics lately. I've just been answering questions from subscribers, whatever they may have on push-ups. Eventually, we will be doing push-up workouts, but for now, I've just been answering questions. It's kind of like an easy video, if you will, because right now I'm doing 10 exercise vids. So having this one vid just kind of allows me a little bit of a break. But eventually, we will be doing push-up workouts too. But let me answer that question for you. What happens if you do 20 push-ups a day? In my opinion, not much is going to happen, to be honest. That's my opinion. Not my opinion. I know what's going to happen because 20 push-ups isn't that many push-ups per day, you guys. Even if I was doing push-ups, this is what I do with my push-up workouts. And I've done push-up workouts before on my channel. Most people should be able to do anywhere from 3 to 5. Most people should be able to do 5 push-ups in a row. Most people should be able to. What I do with my push-up workouts is I will do 40-second rest periods. It will do 10 sets, anywhere from 5 to 20 repetitions for push-ups. So if we do minimum 5 reps, that's 50 push-ups already. And that's only 5 reps per set. If we do 10, that's 100 reps. So what you could do is you could do 5 reps and then just do 10 sets. That would give you 50 push-ups. That would be a little bit better. 20 push-ups, though, in my opinion, isn't very much. What if you did 10 push-ups, 10 sets? That's 100 repetitions. That's even better. In my opinion, 100 repetitions per day of push-ups is good. That's a good amount to do per day. Here is the thing, in my opinion, though, about doing push-ups every day and just doing the exact same amount of repetitions every single day. Again, 20 push-ups per day isn't very many. 50 push-ups is better. 100 push-ups is better. But what is even better is if you take a rest day in between your push-up workouts. So what I mean by this is Monday, push-up workout. Tuesday, rest day. Wednesday, push-up workout. Thursday, rest day. Friday, push-up workout. What's even better than that is the same thing, Monday push-up workout, Tuesday rest day, but on Monday, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a volume push-up workout. Tuesday is still gonna be a day off. Wednesday, though, now is gonna be an intensity day. Thursday is gonna be a day off. Friday is gonna be, again, a volume day, and then you just keep cycling intensity, volume, intensity, volume, intensity, volume, with that rest period. The thing with push-ups and the thing with anything to do with repetitions is if you're looking to increase the number of repetitions that you're doing in a row, or if you're trying to just all in all just increase the amount of repetitions you're doing, you're trying to build muscle, you're trying to lose fat, basically the point of push-ups. You want to program properly. With volume day and intensity day, what's going to happen is that slowly your number of push-ups that you can do in a row is slowly going to creep up. Here's the thing. If you do 100 push-ups every single day, this is what's going to happen. It's going to just kind of baseline. Your progress is going to be baseline. You're not really progressing in any way. You're just doing the exact same thing over and over and over and over again. If you bench pressed 185 pounds for 10 reps every day for a year, what's going to happen? You're going to look 100% exactly the same because you did not increase the weight at all. You didn't increase the reps, didn't increase the sets, nothing increased. By doing a volume day and an intensity day, you can increase the number of push-ups you're doing. Now, here's the thing. If you just do intensity day, what a lot of people do, what they do with intensity day is they don't even know they're doing intensity day. What they do is they just try to increase their number of push-ups per day. They do 21 day, the next day they're trying to do 21, and they keep trying to do that over and over again. That's good when you first start off for the first couple of weeks, but eventually you're gonna stall out, you're gonna plateau. If you didn't, then you'd be doing 1,000 push-ups in a row. You're gonna stall out. How you not stall out and how you keep progressing is you do a volume day, then an intensity day. With the volume day, I recommend doing around 100 repetitions, 10 reps, 10 sets. That's perfect. Over time, slowly add a couple of reps every single volume day. 102 reps, 104 reps, 106 reps, 108 reps, 110 reps. Intensity day. Every intensity day, do 1 to 2 sets. Try to increase the number of push-ups that you can do in a row. 1 to 2 sets, that's it. High intensity, your day's done. Don't do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets. That's what your volume day is for. Now, here's the thing. You're gonna eventually stall out on that too. You're eventually gonna plateau. Why? Because if you did not plateau, you'd be able to do 1,000 reps in a row. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna plateau eventually, but it's gonna take a very long time, which is very good. So what happens when you plateau? Here's the thing, you switch your exercise variation up. So if you're doing normal push-ups, start doing wide grip push-ups and do the exact same thing that you just did. Do volume day, intensity day. Do it as long as you can doing wide grip push-ups. Then what happens when you plateau on that, you can either come back to doing regular push-ups or you can do another exercise variation. What I would do is I would do normal push-ups. I do all that. Once I plateau, I do a new variation. Once I plateau on that, I'd come back to push-ups. Normal push-ups, I would redo everything, and then I'd do another new variation. And you can literally just keep doing that over and over and over again. You can do push-ups in a row for 4 years. You'll constantly have endless amount of progress. End the video. That's what I recommend doing. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.